Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June 17, 2022. I am here again today to talk to you all about Palantir. Yes. Has the stock bottom in the market for Palantir? I'm going to show you what I think. I'm going to come through and update you all as to what I'm noticing on the price chart in Palantir so that you don't have to worry. You don't have to be afraid. You don't have to be nervous because we're going to predict. We're going to see where the market is anticipated to go in Palantir so that we can be prepared. So to everyone who is new, if today's your first time ever clicking on my videos, my content, I'm here. Yes, I am one of the voices of reason amongst all of the noise here on YouTube, trying to get you all to buy this stock. I mean, this stock has been continuously pumped. I mean, many videos have been created on YouTube of everyone trying to pump this stock, saying it's going to go higher, saying that it's a buy, hold it for the long term. Don't worry about it because in the next 5,000 years, what we have bought today will be worth a lot more. I know you all have heard that. Don't pay attention to those type of content because price has gone opposite of what they've been telling you all the whole time. Look at the money. You guys want to join me? Hit the like button. Share the video and also subscribe here to my channel. I would also recommend, for real, that you want to tap that bell notification as well, because whenever I see changes occur in the market, I want you all to be one of the first ones to know, because mainstream media is not going to tell you. Social media is not going to tell you. The only way that you'll know is by somebody else who is able to predict where prices are going to go. So let's talk. I did a video in Palantir on the 28th of May, right? I was looking for the market in Palantir to go up then. And guess what? It did. But only by a little. It didn't even go that high, right? So let me zoom in on this chart because I want to keep it real. I did a video right here, okay, on the 28th, and I was telling you all that the price in Palantir was going to go up. Now go back and listen to the video, like really go back and listen, because what I usually do, I give you price targets, right, to know when to take some profitability off the table. If you're going to win in the game, you need to know when you need to take some of the profitability off. And you guys can see right here, okay, I'm gonna point the arrow down to the day, right here, June the 8th, even here, June the 2nd. The market came through and hit our first area of profitability. I was preparing you all right there, 7%. Yeah, 7%. The market in Palantir only had enough momentum to push price to $9.50. That was it. No more, no less. Now, if we was able to see the market break $9.50 to the upside, then we would have continued to go on with the play. But at least we was able to get 7% before the market actually tanked and went down. Because if I still see weakness now, right, we have a little bit more information now after I did my video on May 28th, right? All of this information right here wasn't available when I did my last video, but now we see it. Now we have it. Now we have a better idea as to what the market really is trying to do. So if you didn't get that 7%, you might want to consider taking it out now at a 13% loss. If price is still weak, the market may not be weak in Palantir, and if it's not, then this is nothing. 13%, we can leave that on and just let the market continue to ride and consolidate. But one of the things I wanted to show you as well is that I identify, right, the trend in Palantir, and I told you all, as long as the price in Palantir continue. Wait, hold on. You see that? Did you see what just happened? The market in Palantir, right here, May the 12th, all the way to June the 10th was trending higher, but then pumped the brakes. Hold on, something happened. Price broke the trend. Guess what? The moment that we broke that trend, we shouldn't be thinking price is going to go up right now then. Cool. See, the market gives you answers to your questions. Many of you asked the question in my comments, is price going to go up? The answer right now in Palantir is displayed. No, we're not looking for the price in Palantir to go up right now. But hold on, pump your brakes. We may still see this stock consolidate. Why do I say that? Well, let me show you this then. You see this here? Look at that. The market in Palantir is finding support right there. Isn't that amazing? So even though we should not be playing the market going up off of this ascending line, we can still see this stock consolidate. This is the next best thing for us to know if we're looking for the market to go up in Palantir. Look at this on the 2-day. What do you think? Do we look strong? Does this stock look strong right now, or does it look bullish? Or does it look weak? Look at this on the weekly. I mean on a 3-day. This is Palantir on a 3-day time frame. Palantir on a 5-day. What do you think this market is trying to do? Are people selling? Are people buying? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You see that? That 2 weekly price bar, which in the next 8 hours and 31 minutes, all right, so there's some margin of error here. We cannot actually show it as what it is because this price bar is not going to look the same in the next 8 hours and 31 minutes. But let's say that this was it. It was over. The trading day is ended and we got this price bar right there. That doesn't look good, does it? No, because it tells us over the last 2 weeks, right? We've seen the market in Palantir come all the way up here and get rejected at $9.45.50. It got rejected and came back down, and now we're closing at the low end of that 2 weekly price bar. That's not good. 3 weeks. You can see it right there too. So when we combine all of this information, right? When we combine all of this, you let me know, does that look bullish to you? Does that look bullish to you? I hope you said no, because it's not bullish. By us noticing the price in Palantir still showing rejection on this long-term trend right here, that lets me know that the market's not that bullish yet. So the best thing that I'm looking forward to, I'm gonna keep it real, is for this stock to consolidate. That's the best thing that I'm looking at right now. Okay. Now we want to see the market hold above 750. We want to see that. Okay. We want to see that. So it's going to be real important on today's trading day, the last day of the week, for Palantir to hold itself above 750. Because if it does that, then I'm going to be expecting the price to go up. Right? That's what I'm going to look forward to. Now, if the market doesn't hold above 750, then we need to be prepared for it to go lower. And the next level is going to be around 7. Okay? It's going to be around 7. Now, I'm looking at this on a smaller time frame because I want to see if the buyers are coming in, because they came in last time on the 24th of May. And it looked like they're still trying to show in now. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. What I'm going to do is it's very weak, right? The strength that I'm seeing on the chart is not massively apparent that the market wants to go up yet. It's not. But what I'm going to do, because when I see this on a 2 weeks time frame and we got 8 hours and 28 minutes, I think we need to wait for the conclusion of today, right, before I actually come through and actually do a price prediction, because that is weakness there. Okay. You can see weakness on the 3 weeks time frame. So it's going to be all about your time perspective. If you're trying to play this on a short-term basis, intraday basis, you could possibly play this to the upside, right? I can see it. Maybe to $8.50, maybe. But when you think about this long term, you got the 2 weeks looking weak. You got the 3 weekly time frame looking weak. This is not the opportunity to go all in Palantir. Even the 5 weeks, right? So in the next 7 days and 9 hours, I want you all to see how this 5 weekly price bar concludes in Palantir. Because the biggest issue for the long term is right there around $10. Price is not able to break above that to the upside. If we were able to see that price break above $10 on a 2 weekly, 3 weeks, or even on a 5 weekly time frame, then we could be a little bit more bullish. But I don't see that here. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to drop a price prediction on the chart right now in Palantir, an actual price prediction, but my idea right now in terms of predicting is that the market is going to try to consolidate. That's what I'm looking forward to. And the current basis of support is right here around 750, right? I want to see the buyers continue to hold this level, because if so, then it lets me know that we can play the move higher. But as we trade throughout today and we end with the price going down below 750, then we need to continue to expect downward pressure. It's just that simple. So we want to wait until the market gives us the definitive answer, and it will. Best believe it, it will. So which one do you think is more likely? Do you think the price is going to hold 750 and go up? Or do you think price is going to break 750 and go down? Now, the time frame that I'm putting on that is today. Where do you think the price is going to end in Palantir today? Are we going to be above 750 or are we going to be below? Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.